So today we are formulating Moroccan based soap. Yes, this is multi-purpose soap because after you finish formulating this, you can use it to customize many other soaps. So welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel and let's begin. So we are starting with measuring our potassium hydroxide, that is lye. Do well to know that you are using potassium hydroxide, please, not sodium hydroxide, because they are all lyes, but they are two different lyes. So they are all used in making soap, saponification process, soap that requires saponification process. So we are measuring our potassium hydroxide in this formula at 500 grams. That is what we're using, not sodium hydroxide, because if you use sodium hydroxide, you can end up getting a hard soup. Your soup cannot be that paste, and that is not what you want. So we are using potassium hydroxide, just as I said, at 500 grams. So I want you to know that when you are making this process, or when you're making this soap, you need safety measures. For example, like your hand gloves, because this lye that you are seeing is an acid. Let me even call it acid, because when it touch your skin, it can easily burn it. Like fair and share, it can burn your skin sharp. So what you need is working carefully with it by using your safety gloves, and also in an open place. Yes, so we are using 500 grams of potassium hydroxide into 2 liters of distilled water. Yes, we are measuring our distilled water right now at 2 liters, because we are dissolving the lye inside our water. So for skincare product training and product purchase, there is link in our description where it will take you straight to our WhatsApp, and we'll do business. So here we've got our 2 liters of water, and now we pour our lye inside water. Please don't pour water inside lye. That is the reason why I even measured the lye in a small beaker, for you to know that we don't pour water inside lye. So here we are just dissolving our lye. You can give it some minutes to dissolve. It's going to be very hot. That is how the lye is, so it's normal. So you give it time to dissolve and to cool down. We'll now set this aside and measure our carrier oil. We are using picky oil in this recipe. That's palm kernel oil, by the way. So we're using 3 liters of palm kernel oil in this recipe. Like I said, if you have any carrier oil of your choice, like coconut oil, sunflower oil, almond oil, castor oil, any carrier oil of your choice, you can use it, but we'll be using palm kernel oil in this recipe. So like I said, 3 liters. Of course, 3 liters will go with 500 grams of potassium hydroxide. Like I said, if you want any training, like further training on this, how to customize this soap after you finish making it to become whitening, lightening, repair soap, all you need to do is contact us. Our link is in the description box. So at this point, to measure our vegetable glycerin, at 50 grams. I think the measurement is on the screen, right? Yeah. Vegetable glycerin at 50 grams. I would just like to, just put everything. Some do put it at the end of the formulation, but it's all the same. So here we are mixing our lye solution, remember our lye, in our oil. Yes, at this point you need to mix, like not hard mixing, but you will be mixing, you will be stirring at it occasionally, like forever, not forever until the soap has trace. Okay, you will be stirring, for the soup to become what you need. So there come our next ingredient, which is our methanol. We are using 1 liter of methanol in this formulation. Guys, I told you, just follow my step. Don't go in, making your recipe inside my recipe. Please don't come back and start telling me it did not work or something. You will notice methanol, like it doesn't want to accept the whole process, but trust me, it will incorporate in. So I'm putting methanol like one step at a time to help the process go smoothly. So I use 1 liter of methanol in this formulation while stirring. Like I said, you have to stir, like, stir. You can sit down and stir, you can stand up and stir, but you just need to keep mixing. So it will go through a lot of phases. Yes, it will go through a lot of phases. It will start to thicken. When it starts to thicken, you think that's all, it will just continue with the thickness, and then it will shock you because it will loosen. Yes, the solution will just loosen and become like oil solution. Still, don't worry, don't give up, just keep stirring. It will come to the soap paste that you are looking for. The reason why I said let me continue with the, like, let me not jump this video for you to experience the whole process, for you to have the feel of making this soap. Like I said, you see, now it has loosened up and become like oil solution, but still we are getting there, don't worry. So from this phase, it will go back to thickening, and then it will just form a trace, like it will form a very, very good pasty soap that you all need. So that is all for this formulation. Please subscribe to this channel, because this channel will give you everything. So thank you.